Oh yes, she is firing again today, which makes for that content that we so love and enjoy. Welcome back guys to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and let's go ahead and get this competition started. Our first contestant to do battle with Haulover Inlet's gonna show you why boats have a bimini top, and you guessed it, they were absolutely created to try and keep you dry as you run through Haulover Inlet. Well, I'm kidding on that aspect a little bit, but they definitely get a workout down at Haulover, like this one already is getting a workout here, as this Von Dutch comes running through the inlet. My man here's got this boat up on plane just barely. He's actually got a pretty good running attitude, but Haulover's just firing, and that's gonna make a rough day. Like right here, my man is absolutely soaked already. It didn't matter if he had a bimini top or not. Captain really did not do a bad job coming through the inlet here, but sometimes you just step into the ring with a Goliath and the Goliath smacks you down, and that's exactly what's happening right here as he gets soaked again. And the boats unfortunately are going to take a loss in this first round. And our contestant in the second round to step in and do battle with Haulover Inlet, well, they're just going to try and stay dry and see if they can be a little more successful at it than our first contestant was. Here we're going to see this vessel starting to roll through Haulover Inlet. I'm actually not 100% sure which boat this is. If you know what it is, go ahead and light it up in the comments below and let us know. But right now, this captain's actually doing a pretty solid job. Once again, just barely up on plane, but they've got the bow trimmed extremely high to try and make sure they don't stuff this bow and hopefully keep all the water out of the cockpit of this boat. These guys are running pretty solid right now. They're actually staying closer to that north side of the inlet, which once again will give them a little bit of an easier ride. And these guys are going to come rolling through Haulover, and so far they look pretty good. Right here we got one last shot, and they're going to make it in, and the boats are going to take a win here in the second round. And our contestant in the third round is going to have an awfully familiar situation for Haulover Inlet, and that's where somebody in the vessel's like, yo Cap, don't spill my drink. Here we're going to see this ranker starting to roll out of the inlet. As we already know, it's a rough day, and we'll see this gentleman who's standing in the center of the boat, has a beverage of some sort in his hand, and basically he's like, Cap, don't spill my drink. But they're also making a key mistake. One of the other guys is trying to record them as they come out of the inlet. This never ends well. It's kind of like having bananas on the boat. If you're going to film yourself coming out of Haulover, you're likely going to get popped, and Haulover's giving them a heck of a ride right here. But let's see if they can stay dry as they come rolling out of the inlet. And these guys, nope, they're going to get soaked like everybody else. And unfortunately, stuffing the bow is going to give them a loss here in the third round. But even the pros sometimes struggle going through Haulover, but we're going to see how the pros handle it on a rough day. Here we go in the fourth round with the coasties rolling through the inlet. And our cap's starting to push those throttles forward and get this vessel up on plane. And so far, they look pretty good. They're pushing their way through the inlet pretty solid. They do have the bow trimmed up just ever so slightly to try and keep the water out of the bow. And it looks like we even have a hatch open in the front, so they're adding an extra element to this one. They really want to keep this dry now, especially with that hatch open in the bow of the boat. But so far they look pretty good. The coasties are going to give us a wave as they come on by, and it looks like they're going to successfully navigate their way into Haulover and stay dry as they're doing it, and that'll give the boats a win in the fourth round. And that's going to take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. And who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? In the fifth round, we're going to see if this guy can even make it out. And I'm just forecasting that the chances are probably not good. I mean, they're attempting Haulover on a rough day in a boat that probably even on a moderate lake day is going to sit its happy tail on the dock. But you know what? These guys are going to push their way forward and see how it rolls. And we even got some people who are brave enough to try riding the bow as they're attempting to exit the inlet. But here we go. We're about to hit the first set of breakers, and let's see how this captain does. So we're going to hit the first wave, and no! We are already attempting the famous Haulover U-turn. Now, he actually does that one pretty good. He gets the first wave, it kind of gets him a little sideways, but he uses the second wave to go ahead and push the vessel all the way around and to start heading back toward the good old Haulover sandbar. But you know what that means as well? Is this boat's going to take a loss for the boats in this round, and that's going to give Haulover the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you caught the Wednesday video that we aired this week, you may know that we actually let you guys select the winner of that one, and after the votes are tallied, you guys went ahead and picked Haulover Inlet as the winner, and every time we do that, we'd like to feature a few people who voted. So thank you for voting Finn, Sean Simmons, Quick LTD, Michael K, Peter, Eric Rostard, Donald Squires, Dan Lindy, Danny Boy, and Joshua Tymeyer. If you guys haven't already, check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos as well. And of course, Miami Boat Ramps, which features all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.